Okay, so here we can see a list view of all of the projects I have created. And so you can see owner, camera steward, all the way down. That's because I have a filter applied and I'm only filtering by my projects. But if I wanted to see everybody's projects that worked for SolarEdge, I can uncheck that filter and I can see every project that has been ever created by people that work at my company. And we're a global company, so we have, designs in Italy and Germany and the Netherlands. So that's why I usually always have my projects filter on, because I'm interested in looking at the work that I do. I can sort by commercial sites or residential sites, and then I can sort by, project name, project size, city, owner, whatever, just to find my projects a lot easier.
For additional information and access to more in-depth tutorials, go to SolarEdge.com, select Login and e-Learning to get access to the library of SolarEdge learning materials.